All righty, guys. You got it? That's your first right angle. Here's your second right angle. Now watch. I'm going to sing. For now, you just watch because I'm going to ask you to both trace and sing at the same time. Every time you see the word tangent, I'm going to trace it. Every time you see the word radius, I'm chasing it. Just watch for the moment because I'm going to ask you to do this. If tangent to a radius, 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 if tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge. Ready? You're doing this with me. Trace and sing at the same time, just because you're brilliant like that. If tangent to a radius, 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 if tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge. We have 5 people that don't think they have to trace and sing. Pick up your pencils and trace and sing. Okay, I know you can do that. Ready? If tangent to a radius, 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 if tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge. Now, because there's a right angle there, that means we're going to end up with right triangles looking on the right. No help. Complete silence. 1 minute. There are 5 things you can do with right triangles. Start listing them. No helpsies. Your brain, your paper. The order does not matter. You have 1 minute. Right triangles, what can you do with them? Do not say this out loud. There's 5 of them. We did right triangles for 3 weeks. You have calculators on your desk. Surely you can remember one. No, just all I want you to do. There are 5 things you can do with a right triangle. Is it? I'm not saying it out loud yet. It's called the right triangle toolbox. Yeah. Okay, heads up, guys. This is one thing that you should be grilling each other on because you have, since there's right triangles, you have to be able to pop these out like this. So put a star by the ones you did not remember as we go through this, okay? Let's have Kanishka give us one. So how do we do that? Like Pythagorean theorem, better known as leg squared plus equals hypo squared. You guys know it as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I will never use that because students get confused which one's a, b. If you wrote Pythagorean theorem, that works too. Jordan, give me another one. Yes. So, and that we use to find sides in right triangles. Okay? Ready? Jessica, give me another one. Okay, so 45. Yes, 45, 90. Okay, you want to give me another one, Jimmy? Inverse SOHCAHTOA, which would be inverse sine, inverse cosine, inverse tangent. We use that to find angles. Inverse SOHCAHTOA is to find angles. SOHCAHTOA is to find sides. Jade, give us the last one now. 30, 60, 90. Short leg, 3, short leg times 2. Okay, ready? Put a star by the ones you did not remember. Turn around, pair up again. And without looking, hold up 5 fingers, see if you can't rattle off. What are the 5 triangle toolkits? Go. All righty, take a look here, guys. Ready? In in this diagram, trace a radius, please. In this diagram, just trace a single radius. That's it. Just trace a radius. A single radius. A single radius. Ready? Take a look up here. How many of you traced the red one? Okay. How many of you did not see the red one? You just didn't see it. Okay. Just out of curiosity, how many of you traced the pink one? Okay. That's up. How many of you didn't even see the pink? Okay. This is what the whole point of this is, that the minute you see any diagram, immediately trace all the radii. In fact, you can always add, draw, or move radii. That's very important. You can always draw in or move radii around. Why? Because they're all the same. Pay very close attention to that. If you get stuck on a problem, you might want to ask yourself, can I draw in another radius? Can you trace a radius? Is that a freebie? It's like vertical angles. They're always there. Ready? Get ready to sing. And trace. It's tangent to a radius. Radius. Radius is tangent to a radius. Right angle at the edge. All right, take a look around here. We know that's 6. Warning, only from here to here is 8. Step 1, I'd like you to find the blue, please. You have 10 seconds. Do not say it out loud. Find the blue. Do not say it out loud. Isabel, what's the blue, ma'am? 14 is correct. Great, 14 is correct. Good. Tell your neighbor, why is that 14? All right. Okay, ready? Now, we have to use one of these. We can't use 30, 60, 90 or 45, 45, 90. We can't use SOHCAHTOA unless there's angles there. So we are left with Pythagorean theorem. We write leg squared equals hypo squared. So plug chug. But Miss Way, I want my calculator up to square 14. Too bad. Do it long and in the margin. It's 3rd grade math. Keep working it. No, you may not use a calculator. I know. You know what? Okay, here, hang on. Before I get after you guys, let me stop the. On that note, ready? So we have here 160. You're like, Miss Way, that's not a perfect square. Ready? Get yourself some margin. We have x squared equals 160. We're square rooting. Now we're factoring. Oh, it's even, so you just walk it all the way down. I tend to use 2 if it's even all the way down. I don't know what diamond push-ups are, but that's okay. They're hard. Okay. I'm just happy to do 10 regular ones. I couldn't do a half of one without breaking my teeth out of my head. Ready? Okay, so walk it all the way down. Find your dates. No. Find your dates. Okay, you're going to have to do this on pages 4 and 5. You're not allowed to touch a calculator until 6. So this is 2 times 2, 4 root 10. Yeah, for pages 4 and 5, I expect you to do. No, absolutely not. I want you to learn to factor it because your Algebra 2 teacher is going to want you to be able to do that, Nathan, okay? Although I'm impressed you can do decimal square roots in your head with good estimation. Excellent. Okay, ready? Last one here, guys. Put your pencils down, arms out. Somehow you guys get a beach ball past Mr. Machado on graduation day. Put your arms out straight. Tap the beach ball with one hand. Tap the beach ball with another hand. Your arms are a what angle? Tan, touch, touch. Tan. What can you say about the length of your arms? They're equal. So on this diagram, if you have colors, color code this with me. If not, just use traces and squiggles. Ready? This is a tangent and a tangent. Those are equal. Yes, they are, my friend, so mark them. You could just trace it and use the hatch marks. You just factor the daylights out of it, Jordan. Okay, ready? Here's another tan. I'm going to color code it for you there. There's another tan from the vertex to the point of tendency, which is the touch point. You'd be tapping the beach ball. These are also equal. Notice there's double hatch marks there. It's my second set. Ready? There's my third set. All right. Whoa, calculator. Ready? Put your pencil here. Walk it around on the inside like so, please. Walk it all the way around. Walk. That. Absolutely no helping, no talking, no interacting. Find the perimeter. Once you get the perimeter, I would like you to box it. Raise your hand. If you're correct, I'll tell you to move on to page 4. You're not allowed to help anybody. You have all the hints you need with those colors there. Ready? Go. You're doing the math longhand because you're brilliant like that. Jay, are you done, buddy? I'll be right there momentarily.